Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 10 Roman numbers. Roman numbers means you know that write in Roman numbers. Roman number you will see that write in Roman number, that is A 13. So how you will be write the 13? That is first of all you will write 10 and then 3, that is a 13. B is 21. So that first of all you will be write the 10 10 20 and then 1 21. C is 19. So that how you will write, that is a 10 and 10 minus 1, that is 19, and then D, that is 39. So that 3 times you will be write the 10 10, that is a 10 10 30 and then 9, that is a 39. E part 22, that is 10 10, that is 20. F part, that is 29. So that 10 10 and 9, 29. And then G part 36, that is 10 10 10 5 and 1 6. H part 34, 34, that is 10 10 10 and then 1 minus 5 4. Similarly, that is question number 2A. Now we will write in Hindu Arabic numbers. So that is 6. 6 means that is a 6. And then VI means 6. VII means that is 5 6 7 8, that is 8. C question. XXIX, XXIX, that means 10 10 and this one is 9, 29. D part, that is XIX, XIX, that means 10 and 1, this is a 9, 19. D E part 22, oh sorry, that is E part triple X, that is 30. 10 10 10 30. F part XVII, XVII, that means 10 5 15 16 17 18. F G part XXX 1 1, so that 10 30 1 2 3 1 2 32. G H part, that is XVI, so that is 10 6 16. Then question number 3, place the correct answer or correct sign, that is not equal or equal. So in the first box, that is a 20 plus 8 28, yes, right. That is 30 plus 4, that B is wrong. C, that is 20 plus 6, right, that is 30, wrong. It means A and C is right and B D is wrong. So that next exercise, that will be 10.2, that is MCQ. Roman number of 27 is that 20 plus 7 B part. CL means, that is C means you will be see there in table is given 50, and then L means 50, C means 100. So CL is, that will be 150 B part. And then second, that write in Roman number A part again, 21 is equal to XXI. B part 43 is equal to, that will be XL, that is 40, XL, that is 40 and 3 43. So that C part is that 48, that will be XLL, that is a 40 and then 8. D part, that is 149. So that C will become same, and then XL, that is a 40 and then 9. D and then the E part 86. 86 means that will be 50 and then 80 and then 6. 86, because we can write only a number 3 time only continue. F part is that 264, that is 200, so that C is will become 2 time, and then L 250, 260 and then 4. F G part that is 99, that will be 99, that will be, you can write that IL, not is looking good, so that is IC and then IX, that is a 90 and that 99. G H part, that 411, that 411 means first of all CD, that is a 400 and then 11. Question number 3, that is write in Hindu Arabic number, that is CLVI 100, 50 and 150 and 6, 156. B part is that CC, that is 200. C part, that CLXI, so that 100, 150, 60, 160, 169, 169. D part CLXVV, is equal to 150, 60, 70, 75, 175. These E part is that MXXVII. So M value is 500, that 10, 10, 28. E F part, that 264, sorry, F part CDIX means D means that is a 400 and then that is 9. F G part, that F G part V C triple X I, that will be 10.2. That will be third. F part, third is G part, that is a 5100, that is a 5131, because V value is that we know that 5. If we will find that is a 5, and then if we will put the bar sign, that is a 5000. And then G H part, that LXV, L means that is a 50, 60, 65. And then which is greater, 16 or this one? Roman number is greater. XIV is greater or XIX is greater? XIX is greater. C or D is greater? D is greater. CM is greater or MC is greater? MC is greater. CDI is greater or DVI is greater? DVI is greater. CLVI is greater or DLV is greater? So that DLV is greater number. Okay.